Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good.
You're good. That's good. I wonder how everyone else is. What are you doing?
Blowing up this balloon.
Oh, okay. Cool. Well, we'll just wait a little bit. Uh-oh.
What happened?
Lucy has a
pony.
pony. Just come by. There we go. There he is. Whoa, it came off. It's good for your muscles strengthening that, isn't it? Hi, Nanny. Say hi, Nanny and Allison and Daisy.
Hi.
Well, I thought we would start today with
A balloon.
a balloon. Do you want to show them what you've got first? What is that?
A pony.
A pony.
It has a cutie mark. Do you know what this is called?
Nope. What's it called?
They have to tell what it is when they say.
Probably don't know. You tell them.
No, they have to know.
Okay, well you have to guess, and I can't help you because I don't know what it's called. So I thought this morning we would start by making our very own. What are we going to make? A giraffe or a dog? Right, a giraffe. We're going to make a giraffe from a balloon. Are you ready? We've got our pump and our balloon.
Like Amsterdam.
Like Amsterdam. Oh yeah, he is a pink giraffe. We're going to pump it up. Pump, 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 pump. Up and up and up and up and up.
I want to have a time.
Quick, give it a quick pump before all the air comes out. You're gonna do, okay. Good job. All right, that's probably enough air. Hold on to it. Good job, that's fantastic, Lucy, well done. Okay, now we're gonna tie a knot in the end.
And make a giraffe.
Done. Now, we're going to use this bit for his head. We're going to make him some ears because giraffes have pointy ears on the top of their head. And then what do they have? A big long neck. They've got a big long neck. And then they've got some feet and some legs. So here's his big long neck and here's his front 2 feet. Hello, Auntie Louise and Uncle Bruce. Can you say hello?
Hello.
So we've got his face, his ears, his neck, his feet. We're going to use this bit for his body and we're going to make some more feet.
That has not been in the video yet.
It's okay. Put that about there. Okay. And now our giraffe has 1 mouth, 2 ears, a big long neck, 2 feet at the front, a body, 2 feet at the back, and a tail! Now our giraffe is just missing one thing. Can I borrow this? I'm going to draw on some eyes for our giraffe. And a big smiley mouth. And there we go. Now we have a giraffe. Now your giraffe can play with your pony. Very cool. Well, I thought we would start by singing 5 cheeky monkeys swinging in the tree.
How about a pony one?
Well, how about we just, I don't know any pony songs off the top of my head right now. Can you go over? Lucy's got her Rapunzel hair in today. Are you going to go over and dance? Or are you just going to sit there?
I'm going to go over.
Okay, we're going to go over and dance. Are we ready? So we've got 5 cheeky monkeys. Show me your 5 cheeky monkeys. And we'll go like this. 5 cheeky monkeys swinging in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile as quiet as could be and snap! Now how many monkeys have we got left? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cheeky monkeys. the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile, as quiet as could be, and snap! How many do we have left? 3. You could use your big voice so everyone can hear you. 3 cheeky monkeys swinging in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile, as quiet as could be, and snap! How many? 2. 2 cheeky monkeys swinging in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile, as quiet as can be, and snap! How many do we have left? 1. 1 cheeky monkey swinging in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile, as quiet as can be, and
No,
snap!
Mummy. You have to pretend the crocodile
How
didn't.
many monkeys are left?
Mummy.
No more monkeys. Yes, Lucy.
I want to tell you something.
Can you do it quickly? Because we're about to read our story.
Pretend that last monkey didn't get boiled.
Pretend he didn't get eaten by the crocodile. What would he do if he didn't get eaten? Would he run away from that crocodile? I would if I was a monkey. I wouldn't want to get eaten. All right, sit down. We have a very funny book today.
It's called
What's it called?
The Book with No Pictures.
The Book with No Pictures by B.J. Novak. And this book has no pictures in it, but it is very funny. Let's read. This is a book with no pictures. What are you doing? You're being a cheeky monkey.
No, there's a dog.
Dot. It might seem like no fun to have someone read you a book with no pictures. Hi, Stace.
I'm just a bit itchy.
Okay, well, you can scratch. It probably seems boring and serious, except here is how books work. Everything the words say, the person reading the book has to say.
The person reading the book has to say.
No matter what.
No matter what.
That's the deal, that's the rule. So that means even if the words say...
That's the rule, that's the word. That's what the rules say.
Mm-hmm. Hi, Abby and Byron and Henry.
Is that how it
Book!
Book.
Wait, what? That doesn't even mean anything. Bluff. Wait a second. What?
Wait a second. What?
This isn't the kind of book I wanted to read.
This is not the book.
And I have to say every word this book says.
And I have to say everything the book says.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
I am a monkey who taught myself to read. Hey! I'm not a monkey. And now I'm reading you this book with my monkey mouth in my monkey voice. That is not true. I am not a monkey.
That is not true. I am not a monkey.
That's right. Put your legs down. Yes, I am a monkey. Also, I am a robot monkey. What? A robot monkey? And my head is made of blueberry pizza.
What?
Wait a second. Is this whole book a trick? Can I stop reading, please? No. And now it's time for me to sing you my favourite song. Song? Do I really have to sing a... Glug, 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 my face is a bug. I eat ants for breakfast right off the rug. What? That doesn't even make any sense. This book is ridiculous. Can I stop reading it yet?
No.
No. There are more pages. I have to read the rest. My only friend in the whole wide world is a hippo named Boo Boo Butt. Boo Boo Butt? What? And also, the kid I'm reading this book to are the best kids ever in the history of the whole entire world. Oh, is that right? Are you kids the best kids in the whole entire world?
No.
You're not? Nope. Okay. And these kids are the smartest kids because they chose to pick this book even though it has no pictures. Well, we chose this book. These guys are just listening to it. Because kids know that this book makes grown-ups have to say silly things. And make silly sounds. Like... Oh no, here it comes. Glasgow, Wakoma, Gumpadu, aye, brug, oomph, eemph, blaggity, bluggity, glibbity, globbity, globbity, glibbity, beep, bop, dongy face.
Funky face?
What?
Funky face.
Oh my goodness. Hello, Elia and Mav. Please don't ever make me read this book again. It is so silly. In fact, it's completely and utterly preposterous. Next time, please choose a book with pictures. Please, because this is just too ridiculous to read. The end. Bonk. Oh, I didn't want to say that. What did you think about this funny story? Even though it had no pictures in it, it still is a bit funny. I thought that I would show you a cool craft that looks like there's no craft on there at all. It's a bit like a secret. Are you ready? Can you sit up for me? So what we will need is a piece of paper.
Can I do it?
And
Can I do it, Mum?
And you can use a white crayon or an old candle. Lucy and I tried it yesterday and we found it best. Just wait a second. We found it best to use a candle. And if you use candles, it works really well if you use water paint over the top. But if you use a crayon, can I have this please? If you use a white crayon, it worked best with textures over the top. And I'll talk more about that in a minute. So we're going to get our old candle and we're going to draw a picture on our piece of paper. Are you ready? I'm going to draw. Okay. You draw something quick. Draw something quick. When you draw with it, you've got to press down really hard. Well, not too hard. You going to draw a picture?
Yeah.
Yep. Draw a picture. Very good. And you draw your picture on there, but you can't see it. Can you see Lucy drew a picture on there, but we can't see what it looks like. I'm going to draw a big picture up the top here. Can you see that? You can't see what I've drawn on there because it's invisible.
I drew the same as you.
Did you? Okay. Then you need to get some water paints.
Can I do some that way?
Yeah, in a minute. Some water paints and some water and a paintbrush. We've got some water in this mug here. Can you just wait a second, please?
I want to have a paintbrush.
Thank you. So, we've got our paintbrush and our paper that looks like we haven't got anything on there. Now we're going to get some water paints. There you go. And Lucy's going to paint over the paper. And can you see when she starts painting that you can see her picture come up through the water paint? It's like a secret way to have pictures. Good job. Can I have a go for a second?
I got another one.
Look. Can you see Lucy's picture coming up? Look at that.
I did a love heart.
Lucy did a love heart down there. And look what I did. If we paint over, we get a bit more water on my brush. We paint over the top. It doesn't look like there's any pictures there, but when we put some paint on the top, we can see them. Can you see that?
We've got love baby.
Lucy and I drew secret love hearts, and you couldn't see them until we painted over the top. How cool is that? That's a great craft to do. Maybe you might want to do that today. You can hold that. That's okay. So Lucy and I tried it with the white crayon as well, and we realised that the textures work better with a white crayon than drawing over it with crayons or with water paint. And if you're using a candle wax, the textures didn't work very good at all, but the crayons worked and the paint worked as well. So we decided that we would use the candle wax to make our picture. Well, I hope you guys have had a nice day today listening to our story and watching our craft, and maybe you might want to do some craft too later. We hope you have a good day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye!